Uh-oh. It's for the ladies. Strictly for the ladies. Hands up.
She was 5'7", 125. Man, those hips with those thighs. Couldn't just let her walk by. I ain't a thirsty, but right about now my throat was getting real dry. Cutest, had to be the cutest. I seen in a long time, and I don't do this like running up on. What up, ma? I'm X. Cause you know how this goes. Come on, ma. I'm X. We just chill, sat and talked to the first light. For the first time, I didn't on the first night, and it was alright. Shorty was a thoroughbred, like off the shorty. Do whatever got to be done with shorty. She straight like that. When I hit her like, I be right back, yo. I be right back. Ain't no bull. I be right back. She gotta catching feelings. I'm a street hard body, but she got me catching feelings. Man, those eyes, those lips, be like damn. Those thighs, those hips. She like blam, make it have to touch something, not necessarily something, just as long as it touch something. And blow.
It's for the ladies. Strictly for the ladies.
Too smooth, too smooth. Since Stella got a new groove, it's like we got something to prove. We gon' make it, rain or shine. My heart is yours and yours is mine. Like Eve said, love is blind. Right about now, I can't see. Cause you all that's on my mind. Been like that since I met her. Had to have her, so I went to get her. But I'm a dog, so I didn't sweat her. And it wasn't about the cheddar, I don't trick. I got two things for a couple of jokes and some yeah, the kid talk straight, but that's not what I'm about. We got dog love, and me and Shorty, we riding it out. We out, we out, we out, we out, we out.
It really doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter, babe. There's no love like the dog. There's no love.
It's dog love.
No matter what, I'll hold you down. Nobody else will come around. Don't even matter, cause there's no love like the dog's love. I got my dog.
It's for the ladies. Strictly for the ladies. Hands up.
She was 5'7", 125. Man, those hips with those thighs. Couldn't just let her walk by. I ain't a thirsty, but right about now my throat was getting real dry.